case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 2004 case Menninger v. Mortgage Electronic Registration System in Re Bowling, the United States Bankruptcy Court for the Southern District of Ohio focused on the proper execution and acknowledgement of a mortgage under Ohio law. The law requires a mortgage to be executed and acknowledged before a designated official for it to be recorded and provide constructive notice to third parties. In this case, Charles Bowling owned a property in Ohio with a mortgage under MERS that the trustee argued was not properly executed. The trustee sought to avoid the mortgage and provided evidence that a notary was not present when Mr. Bowling signed it. The court agreed that his debtor's spouse's interest in the property was part of the bankruptcy estate and that a 2002 law creating an irrefutable presumption of properly executed mortgages did not apply. The court ultimately granted the trustee's cross-motion for summary judgment and denied MERS's motion. MERS failed to address the mortgagee's interest in the bankruptcy estate when a trustee avoids a mortgage using their strong-arm powers. As a result, the trustee could avoid the mortgage due to its improper execution, and MERS was not entitled to a replacement lien.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.